kissed them all day and she'd let me. Her laugh, she hates but I think it's so sexy. She's so beautiful, and I tell her every day. Oh, you know, I never ask you to change. If perfect's what you're searching for, then just stay the same. So don't even bother asking if you look okay. You know I'll say, when I see your face, there's not a thing that I would change, 'cause you're amazing, just the way you are. And when you smile, the whole world stops and stares for a while. 'Cause girl, you're amazing, just the way you are. The way you are. The way you are. Girl, you're amazing, just the way you are. When I see your face, there's not a thing that I would change, 'cause you're amazing, just the way you are. And when you smile, the whole world stops and stares for a while. 'Cause girl, you're amazing, just the way you are. Yeah. I know you're somewhere out there, somewhere far away. I want you back, I want you back. My neighbors think I'm crazy, but they don't understand. You're all I had, you're all I had. At night when the stars light up my room, I sit by myself, talking to the moon, trying to get to you. In hopes you're on the other side, talking to me too. Or am I a fool who sits alone, talking to the moon? Oh, I'm feeling like I'm famous, the talk of the town. They say I've gone mad, yeah, I've gone mad. But they don't know what I know, 'cause when the sun goes down, someone's talking back. Yeah, they're talking back. Oh, at night when the stars light up my room, I sit by myself, talking to the moon, trying to get to you. In hopes you're on the other side, talking to me too. Or am I a fool who sits alone, talking to the moon? Do you ever hear me calling? Every night I'm talking to the moon. heaven hopes you're on the other side, talking to me too. Or am I a fool who sits alone, talking to the moon? I know you're somewhere out there, somewhere far away. Same bed, but it feels just a little bit bigger now. Our song on the radio, but it don't sound the same. When our friends talk about you, all it does is just tear me down. 'Cause my heart breaks a little when I hear your name. It all just sounds like ooh. Too young, too dumb to realize that I should have bought you flowers and held your hand. Should have gave you all my hours when I had the chance. Take you to every party, 'cause all you wanted to do was dance. Now my baby's dancing, but she's dancing with another man. My pride, my ego, my needs, and my selfish ways caused a good, strong woman like you to walk out my life. Now I'll never get to clean up the mess I made. Oh, and that haunts me every time I close my eyes. It all just sounds like ooh. Too young, too dumb to realize that I should have bought you flowers and held your hand. Should have gave you all my hours when I had the chance. Take you to every party, 'cause all you wanted to do was dance. Now my baby's dancing, but she's dancing with another man. Although it hurts, I'll be the first to say that I was wrong. Oh, I know I'm probably much too late to try and apologize for my mistakes, but I just want you to know I hope he buys you flowers. I hope he holds your hand, give you all his hours when he has the chance. Take you to every party, 'cause I remember how much you love to dance. Do all the things I should have done when I was your man. Do all the things I should have done when I was your man.
Uda. So you are staying with grade 6 English medium class. So usually grade 6 English medium class is happening in Friday. It's on Friday, but instead of the Friday class, I have put that into the today session today, right? But it's okay, right? But from next day onwards, it's on our grade 6 English medium class is on Friday. Friday, 5:30 p.m. Right. So Buddha, today, turn on the chat. How are you? How is your Urdu? Turn on the chat. So how are you, Buddha? How is Urdu? How is Urdu? Great. Okay. Okay. turn off the chat. So I know there are so many new students here as well. Okay, turn off the chat. Right. So today I'm going to discuss the first term test paper, or the model first term test paper with you, right? So from this session, you will revise all the things that you have learned, and it will be very aidful for you if you have upcoming term test. But unfortunately, like there are international school students here as well, and in some schools the term test have done, in some schools not. But when I consider about the most of the schools, they have not done all the lessons as well. There are so many problems in the system, but it's okay. But we are doing well, right? So today I'm going to discuss about the first term test model paper with you. And also for the newbies, you will be able to get a proper idea about our class, how to attend for our classes. And also each and every month we are sending the tudes and also the papers that is relevant to the particular month to your home free of charge. So this was the tude for the month of uh, April. And also I have sent the first term model paper to your home as well for my past pupils. So all the new pupils, new students, you have to understand that we are sending all the tudes papers that is relevant to the particular month to your home free of charge for the students who are coming to our class. So I will explain about the classes meanwhile I'm doing the seminar, right? Okay. Okay, let's go to the paper. Turn on the chat. Did you try the paper, Pute? Turn on the chat. Did you complete the paper? I have already sent that, right? PDF එකත් එවලා තිබුණා. කරේ නැහැ? චුට්ටක්වත් කරේ නැද්ද? ෆස්ට් පේපර් එකවත් කරේ නැද්ද? Okay, turn off the chat. But I did the first paper. It's okay. Right before you. Right. Let's go. Number 1. Subtract. You have to subtract 127 from 300. Okay, let's do this. 300 minus 127. Right? So here you can understand that you can't subtract 7 from 0. හරි එහෙනම් මෙයාගෙන් ඉල්ල ගන්න ඕනේ මෙයාගෙන් ඉල්ල ගන්න බෑ එයා 0 ඉන්නවා මෙයාගෙන් ඉල්ලගෙන ඉල්ල ගන්න ඕනේ හරි ඒතර මෙයා එකක් මෙහාට දුන්නා මෙතන 10 එයාගෙන් තව එකක් එයාගෙන් 10 ගෙන් එකක් තමයි මෙතන ඉල්ල ගන්න වෙන්නේ එතකොට මෙයාට එකක් දුන්නාම 1 plus නේද මෙතන එකක් මෙහාට දෙනවා කියන්නේ 10 so here it is 10 so 10 minus 7 3 here it is 9 right හරි මෙයාගෙන් එකක් මෙතනට දෙනවා කියන්නේ මෙතන වැලියු එක 10යි එයාගෙන් එකක් මෙතනට දෙනවා කියන්නේ එයාගේ එක මෙතනද 10යි. ඒතර දැන් මෙතන 10න් එකක් ගන්න 9 9න් 7යි. 7. 3 minus 1 2. Right? So the answer is 273. Right? Sorry. 173. Here it is 2 no? 2 minus 1 1. 173. Okay? Right. We shall go to the next question. We shall go to the next question. Write in 12-hour clock. So it has been given in 24-hour clock, right? So you already know the 12, the time is given in the 24-hour clock. This is what? This is 12 noon, right? So you have to write this on for the 12-hour clock. Puta, if it is the 12 midnight නම් අපි පුතේ කොහොමද ලියන්නේ 12 am, right? Right. So how to write is from the 12-hour clock. මේක කොහොමද අපි 12-hour clock එකකින් ලියන්නේ? We can write right 12 p.m. 12 p.m. PM. We shall go to the next question. You have to write this number in words. Okay. Okay. So you already know what is this zone. This is unit zone. This is unit zone. This is tell on the chat. Tell me what is this zone. Chat on HP. So this is unit zone. What is this zone? Thousand zone. What is this zone? Million zone. What is this zone? Billion zone. So for example, you already know. Sorry. Unit zone, thousand zone, right? Million zone, billion zone, right? So how to read this with a 4 billion? I can read 4 billion, 4 billion, 4 billion, 3 million, 4 billion, 3 million, 230,000, 230, 230,000, 400. Right? 4 billion, 3 million, 230,000, 230,000, 400. Right? You put 200s. 4 billion, 3 million, right? 230,000, 400. Okay? But how to the chat if you can understand this? So you have to understand here it is unit zone. Here it is thousand zone. Here million, billion. So 4 billion, 3 million, 230,000, 400. Right? Okay. We shall go to the next problem. We shall go to the next problem. Write in ascending order. You have to write these numbers in ascending order, right? So here you can understand there is a minus value, right? The minus 4. The minus 4 the least value minus 4. Next, it is 0. Next, it is 2. Next, it is 6. And also when you come up with the number line, so you can understand the minus 4 is here something. If 0 here something, so here 2, here 6, right? Minus 4, 0, 2, 6. This is, I have written these numbers in ascending order. Writing in ascending order means you have to write the numbers from the least value to the maximum value. Okay, right. How many circles are these? How many circles are there in the figure? Turn on the chat for the HP. Just tell me what is the answer, Pute. Tell me what is the answer. So here you can say how many circles? How many circles? How many circles? Here's a one circle. Here is another circle. Here is another circle. Yeah, three circles. Number 6. So, Puta, you need to find 260 minutes in hours and minutes. So, you already know how many minutes per hour? How many minutes per hour? 60 minutes. So, I need to find how many 60s in 260. I need to find how many 60s in 260. If I divide 260 by 60, there are 4, right? 16 to 4, 24, 240. What is the remainder? 20. So this is the quotient. This is the quotient. This is the remainder. This is the remainder. So you have to understand that there are 4 60s in 260 and 20 is remaining. And 260 වල 60 minutes වල 60 minutes 4ක් තියෙනවා. කියන්නේ 4 hours තියෙනවා. So it is 4 hours. The remainder is 20. 4 hours and 20 minutes. 4 hours and 20 minutes. Can you understand? Turn on the chat, Hari, for the Shri. Is that clear, Chuti? Everything is clear? All right, turn on the chat. Let's go to the 7th question. You have a multiplication here. You need to multiply 324 by 8. 8 into 4, 32. So I write 2 here. 3 remaining. 8 into 2, 16. 16 plus 3, 19. So I put 9 here. 1 remaining. 8 into 3, 24. 24 plus 1. 24 plus 1, 25. So this is the answer. 2492. Okay. Okay, Budhe. Shall we go to the next problem? Shall we go to the next problem? 8 into 4, 32. 3 remaining. 8 into 2, 16. 16 plus 3, 19. 1 remaining, 8 into 3, 24 plus 1, 25. Okay. To the next problem. You need to subtract this. Okay, let's see, turn off the chart. Turn off the chart. So here you can understand you have to subtract 40 from 25. You have to subtract 40 from 25. We can't do it. Because of that, I'm requesting 1 minute from here. 1 minute request karana. 1 minute. 1 minute means how many seconds? 60 seconds. Methana 25 in not. So all together 85 minutes. Now subtract 40 from 85. 45. Put that 45 here. You can't subtract 40 from 25. Because of that, I'm requesting minute from here. 1 minute. 1 minute means 60 seconds. That 60 and this 25, all 85. So 85, you can subtract 40 from 85. It is 45. So here it is 45. Then මෙතනින් එකක් දුන්නා. Because of that, here value is 14. Then මෙතන value එක 14, not 15. 14 minus 10, 4. Turn on the chat for the HP. Can you understand? Can you understand? Yes, okay. Name the main directions. Put the main directions, can you remember? Yeah, it is north. Here it is east. Here it is west. Here it is south. මේවා තමයි main 4 directions. So the answer is, then the answer is south, east, north, south, nil. North, south, east, west. තමයි the answer එක ඕක. We shall remind all the things here. Can you remember the subdirections, Budhe? Can you remember the subdirections? Hurry. North east. Make a northwest. It was given south southwest. Make it southeast. Subdirections. All directions, 8 directions. Main directions north, east, southwest. Subdirection these. All together 8 directions. So the answer for this question is this. Let's go to this problem. You have to divide this. Turn on the chat for the HP. Can you understand all things here? 30. Everything is clear. Yeah, how much? Let's divide 3,420 by 3. Long division method എഴുതും. Okay, 3. How many 3s for 3? 1. 3 into 1, 3. So here it is 0, remainder 0. I download 4 to here. How many 3s for 4? 1. 3 into 1, 3. What is the remainder? 1. Sorry. I download 2 to here, 12. How many 3s for 12? 4. 3 is to 4, 12. What about? Remainder is 0. I download 0 to here. How many 3s for 0? 0. 3 into 0, 0. Remainder is 0. So the answer is this is the answer. Let's go to the 11th one. Okay, write in digits. පොතේ බලන්න මේ. හොඳට බලන්න මාදම්. 43 million. එහෙනම් million zone එකේ ඉන්නේ 43. 7,000. අපි දන්නවා. පොඩක් අපි පොඩක් බලන්න ඕනේ. දැන් මෙහෙන් ගත්තොත් මේ unit zone. ඊට පස්සේ 1000. ඊට පස්සේ million. එහෙම නැත්නම් okay, 43 million, right? 43 million. 7,000. 1000 zone එකේ එහෙනම් 7 ඉන්නවා න 9 unit zone එකේ 9 ඉන්නවා. හරි. I think 43 million 7,009. Turn on the shot for the street. Can you understand, Shruti? Let's go to the next problem. How many hours are there in for 10 days? Then put up per day how many? Turn on the chart. Per day, how many hours? Hurry. Per day, there are 24 hours per day. Per one day, there are 24 hours. So how much for 10 days? Per one day, if it is 24 hours, so for 10 days, you have to multiply that by 10. To 24 multiplied by 10, we have to add 0 to the, so 240 hours, right? $240. Let's see the 13th question. So you have to add 498. Subudha, here 9 plus 8, what is the answer? 9 plus 8, it is 9 plus 8, it is 17. So 17 වල 7 මෙතනින් තියෙනවා. 1 goes to this side. 1 plus 9, what is the answer? 10. හරි, ඒ 10 ගේ 0 මෙතන තියෙනවා, 1 මෙහාට අරගෙන. 4 plus 1, 1 plus 4, it is 5 no? So put 5 here. Here is 3. So 3,507. This is the answer. Turn on the chat for the HV. Everything is all right. Everything is all right. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Turn off the chat. Let's go to the 14th one. Write the name of the position of the digit 4 in the number 5,432. Then put up. What is this place? Ones place or the unit place? This is unit place. The ones place. Here, tens place. Here, hundreds place. Here it is thousands place. Okay. What is the name of the position of the digit 4? So, what is the position? Hundreds place. Turn on the chat. Can you understand? Place value place value 400. Write the name of the position. Name make a hundreds place. Yeah. Hundreds place. Right, 6 p.m. in standard form. Turn off the chat. Yeah, you have to write it letters. Letters for English. Mahesh. Other. 6 p.m. you have to write in standard format. You already know what do you mean by standard format means 24-hour clock. So how to do that? If it is PM, you have to add 12 or 6. If it is PM, you have to add 12 or 6. Sorry. That is 18, right? So this I can write 18. Make sure to put 2 dots and 0, 0. 18.00. This is the standard format for the 6 p.m. If it is p.m., you have to add 12 for the hours, right? So 6, no? 6 plus 12, 18. So 18, 2 dots and 2 zeros, according to for this problem. All right? From the shot. All is well, right? Pute, all is well? Everything is going well, right? Okay. Right. Turn on the shot. Okay, let's go to the 16th one. You need to multiply 765 by 25. What you have to do? Okay, here start to multiply this 765 by 5. 5 into 5, 25. To left. 5 into 6, 30. 5 into 5, 25. 2 remaining. 5 into 6, 30. 30 plus 2, 32. 3 remaining. 5 into 7, 35. 35 plus 3, 38. Now you need to multiply 765 by 2. හරි එනකොට මේ එක ප්ලේස් එකක් පන්නලා තමයි ලියන්නේ. 2 into 5 10 නේ. මේ එක ප්ලේස් එකක් මෙහාට පන්නනවා. කොහොමද ලියන්නේ? 10 1 remaining. 2 into 5 10 1 remaining. 2 into 6 12. 12 plus 1 13. 1 remaining. 2 into 7 14. 14 plus 1 50. 8 plus 3 11, right? 1 goes here. 4 plus 5 9. So the answer is 19,125. Turn on the chat. Is everything is clear, Churi? Is everything is clear? Right. Right, 3 hours, 20 minutes in minutes today. We know 1 hour is 60 minutes කියලා අපි දන්නවා. 1 hour is 60 minutes. So 3 hours, 1 hour කියන්නේ 60 minutes now. 3 hours means you have to multiply 60 by 3. It is 180 minutes. Around 3 hours and 20 minutes. 3 hours කියන්නේ 180. Here it is 20. Right? So altogether 200 minutes, right? altogether 200 minutes. 1 hour means 60 minutes. 3 hour means 180 minutes. So that 180 and this 20, 200 minutes altogether. Okay. Is that clear, Buddha? For the rest of the chat, if that is clear? Misari, that problem will be solved from the next month onwards. Huh? අපි ඒවට ක්‍රම දාලා තින්න ඔය මම තමාට බලන්න මොකද කියලා. ඒක හරියයි next month onwards. 18. Draw a number line with all integers from -3 to +3. You know already how to draw a number line. In a number line, this arrow mark should be only to this side. You already know that. And always the gap between two consecutive integers should be equal to each other. So -3 to +3, then if I -3, හරි මම දැන් මෙහෙම 2 මේ gap එක මම ස්ක්වයර්ස් දෙකක් තිබුණොත් හැමතැනම ස්ක්වයර්ස් දෙකක් තියෙනවා. So here -1, here 0, here +1, here +2, and here +3. That's it. එච්චරනේ දැන් අපිට කියන්නේ. So this is the number line that you have to draw. Right? It's okay, like you can keep any gap, right? If you keep one square, that's fine. So the thing is, this gap between the consecutive integers should be equal to each other. Okay. Senuri, okay, I will. But how to the chat if you cannot, you can understand, right? This is a very simple thing. Yeah. But how to the chat? Okay, you have to round off the 45 to the nearest 10. You have to round off the 45 to the nearest 10. What is the procedure? ඒ කියන්නේ nearest 10 වලට තමයි එහෙනම් 10s place එක එකට arrow එකක් දානවා nearest 10 නේ පුතේ. එහෙනම් 10 place එකට arrow එකක් දානවා. Put an arrow to the place where you want to round off. හරි. ඊට පස්සේ යාට එහා පැත්තේ ඉන්න කෙන digit එක දිහා බලනවා 5. If it is 5 or greater than 5. මෙයා 5 or greater than 5 නම් මෙයා 5 or greater than 5 නම් arrowed number එකට එකක් එකතු කරනවා. ඊට පස්සේ ඉන්න හැම digit එකකටම 0 දානවා. තමයි standard method එක rounding off method එක. හරි. So if I round off the 45 to the nearest 10, the answer is 50. මේ sign එක පුතේ මොකද්ද? Partially equal කියන්නේ. ඒ කියන්නේ හරි. ආසන්නව සමාන කියන්නේ මෙයා round off කරාට පස්සේ එන value එක කියන්නේ මේක දාන්න ඕනේ. මේක දාන්න නැතුව අපි කරමුකෝ. So if I round off, the answer is 50. If I round off this value for the first tens place, the nearest 10 or tens place, the answer is 50. So if you put an arrow where you have to round off, tens place again round off කරන්න ඕනේ. මෙයාට පස්සේ ඉන්න digit එක දිහා බලන්න. ඒක 5 or greater than 5. You have to add 1 to this digit, arrow digit, and put zeros to other digits. If it is less than 5 now, keep the arrowed number itself and put 0 to the other digits. Sorry. Can you understand this? Okay, 20th problem. Uday. There are 25 books in a box. Find the number of books in such 8 boxes. Uday හගන්නකො කතන්දරයක්. දැන් මේ බලන්න මේ 5 plus 5 10 නේ පුතේ. 5 plus 5 කියන එක මට 2 into 5 කියලා ලියන්න බලන්න. 2 into 5 10. Then 5 plus 5 plus 5. If you have to add 5 3 times, it is 15 නේ පුතේ. ඕක දැන් තුන් පාරක් ඇඩ් කරන්න දෙනවා tries of 5 කියලා ලියන්න පුළුවන්. Actual 3 tries of 5 is 15. So there are 25 books in a 25 books in a box. හරිද? හරි. There are 8 such boxes. So what is the total number of books? 25 into 8. 8 into 5 40. For remaining 8 into 2 16. 16 plus 4 20. Answer is 200. Turn on the chat. Can you understand? Can you understand, Chuti? Okay. For all the newbies, all the new students, I need to make an announcement for all the new students. Turn off the chat. Okay, let's see about our classes. So this is the timetable of our class. Let me show that. Our live class is on Friday, 5:20 p.m. 5:20 p.m. Repeat class is on Monday, 7 p.m. If you miss the live class, you can come to the repeat class. If you miss the repeat class or live class, whatever it is, you can watch all the class recordings from my website, isharamadushan.lk. Right? Each and every month, you will receive the tutorial to your home. And also from next month onwards, you will receive the tut very efficiently, because we have discussed with the central post mail regarding some matters. It doesn't matter for you, right? So we are sending the tutes papers to your home free of charge each and every month. Our class fee is 2,000 rupees per month, but for that 2,000 rupees, we are sending the tutes quality tutorial to your home free of charge each and every month. And also, if there are term tests, then for example, here I have sent this as well for the month of April, the term test paper and the tute. I'm sending the papers and tutes to your home free of charge each and every month. The class fee is 2,000. So you can, in the class, you can interact with me and learn, and also you can watch class recordings anytime that you want at home. isharamadushan.lk. So it's a very premium website that you can use so many features there. Right? Okay. So I have discussed the first paper, okay, in the model paper about the part 1, right? It's about the part 1. So there is a part 2 as well. There is a part 2 as well, right? And also make sure that I will send the marking scheme that is relevant to the paper as well. Turn on the chat. So how was the discussion today? How was our discussion? Could you understand everything? Could you understand everything, and how do you feel about it? What about your term test, Puta? When will be your term test? Some are done, right? I think. 25, 28. Yeah, recording something. I make already YouTube big stream and Ishara Madushan YouTube rekila मैं करपो आप कम බලන්න පුළුවන්. 87 marks. ආවනට marks උත් දීලා. Okay, so if you want to come to our classes, what is the procedure? Procedure is now I'm posting a class WhatsApp community link to the chat. Make sure to join with the WhatsApp community, and we will be posting each and every detail that what you have to do. කියන්නේ ඊළඟට මොකද්ද කරන්න class fee කියවන account numbers ගවන්නේ කොහමද receipt එක ගවන්නේ ඔය ඔක්කොම දේවල් ටික අපි ඔකට දානවා. ඔකට join. Okay. So did you see the paper? We have done this type of questions. So many questions, right? One direction problem එක, number line problem එක. කොච්චර කරාද class එක ඇතුලේ මේ වගේ ප්‍රශ්න බලන්න ඔය වගේ paper එක. දැන් මේක provincial paper එකක්. For my students, those who have the paper, බලන්න මේ problems ඔක්කොම අපි මේ වගේ class එක අපි කොච්චර හැදුවද කියලා. මේ digits problem එක. Circles problem එක කොච්චර අපි මුල්ම කාලේ. එන fun එක ඉගෙන ගත්ත මතකද? Circles problem එක වань කොච්චර ඒ වගේම problem එකක් අපි කරලා තියෙනවා. මේ days hours minutes ගණන් කොච්චර හැදුවද class එක ඇතුලේ. Number line problem එක, direction problem එක. Okay, Buddha. So as it is a seminar, like I shall wind up the session from here. There are so many new students here as well, so I just want to know, and make sure to complete the paper, and I will send the marking scheme, right? Right, within 24 hours, I will send the marking scheme for the paper, but you have to do the paper by yourself. Then you can refer. We have done so many such type questions, right? I turn on the chat. So just tell me how is today's session is. Other session එක කොහොමද? Other session එක කොහොමද? හරි. Revise වුණාද? Revise වුණාද? 100 marks අරගෙන ඉන්නවා ළමයි දෙපදෙනෙක්. 92 marks. Marks දුන්න කට්ටිය marks දාන්න පුතේ. It's awesome. 92 එක්කෙනෙක් මට 87 කිව්වා. 100 තියෙනවා. 96, 85, 96, 86, 100. I think the parents can see this නේ. ගොඩක් ඉතින් අර වැඩේ කරගෙන යන්න තමයි තියෙන්නේ හරියට පිළිවෙලට. අවශ්‍ය විදිහට. All right. Turn off the chat. Okay, Buddha. So today I'm going to wind up the session from here, and I will send the marking scheme of the paper as well. Because now I'm having a class. All right, okay, Buddha. See you on the Friday, right? Friday, okay? Okay, Buddha. Take care.
And I don't know what it all means, but since I survived, I realized wherever you go, that's